Welcome back, crafty friends. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. I'm coming on with a little experiment. I've been dying to try dyeing paper, try dyeing papers with different kinds of tea to see if you can get different colors from all the different kinds of teas, like berry teas and things like that. I did not have any berry tea. My mom is a tea lover and she's got a cabinet stuffed full of only tea. So I just picked from some of the ones that she had. Now, full disclosure, I went to go do this like a year ago. I don't know if it was that long ago, but a long time ago when I had a lot more time on my hands that I could craft and stuff. So she had let me pick out some teas, and some of the packaging of the individual teas did not say, what kind it was. But at that time, I knew what they all were and was going to do it. But that's right, when things got crazy at work with all the hours, this got pushed to the back burner. And now that I've had more time, I wanted to finally be able to do it. However, some of the teas, I do not know what they are. But that's okay. It was still fun. And as you can see, I do have an array of colors here. So that was fun. I would like to continue with that. So our first one here was this Haile's Japanese Pure Matcha with Ceylon Sencha turmeric. And I expected this to be more orangey than it was, because it had more of this turmeric color when it was wet. So that's the thing that I have also noticed, is that they dry a different color. Sorry, my brother's dog is over. We're dog sitting and he likes to bark, so I apologize. But they dry different than what they look wet, so that's also the fun part. You don't ever know exactly what you're going to get. So this is the turmeric, matcha with turmeric. And I'm using the white background here so you guys can try to get hopefully a better idea of what the colors actually look like. So it's still a great color. It just dried a lot more pale than I thought it would. But that was super fun. And then next we have Tea of Life Moringa Lemon. And it did give me a yellow color. So that was super fun. I think that's going to be so pretty for the spring and the summer to have some yellow papers. Next, we have green tea with lemon and ginseng. And this definitely is a lot darker than the others. Here's our yellow, and here's our matcha with turmeric. So it came out a lot darker. It did look a lot more yellow when it was wet than how it dried. So I'm liking how this turned out too. It's a really fun color. Up next we have chamomile, and this came out very light, very pale, very soft, which I don't know why, but for some reason that makes sense to me. It feels like chamomile would be soft and light and airy. So super pretty. Next we have the green tea hibiscus. And this was, you guys, a bright reddish pink when wet and when on the papers and everything. Obviously, you see here it dried purple and blue. And I'm thinking, okay, please, if you guys know the science, absolutely feel free to correct me down below. I don't, so my guess was just that maybe some sort of oxidation happened. And I know a lot of times when people eco dye, they use alum. So my thought is this is a form of eco dyeing as well. So maybe in order to preserve the original color, you would need to add alum. I'm not sure. I don't have any alum to experiment with that, but I'm hoping to get some soon and be able to do some experiments with it to see if that would keep it the bright red color or pink. Usually the red dyes dry a little pink, but anyway, I still got beautiful colors out of it, just not what I expected. And then this is the paper towel it dried on, and the lace dried on, and I just think it's so pretty, so I kept it as well. And then these are the papers. These were the only ones that have design on them because I like to dry my papers outside in the sun with stencils or placemats on them. They just, to me, they come out so much better than any other method. For me personally, I love that way of doing things. It was too chilly, too cold here. It was nice and bright and sunny, and I thought I could do it, but it took all day for these 4 papers to dry. So the rest of them didn't have any patterns. I dried them in the oven. But I can't wait, you know, as it gets warmer outside, I'll be able to do a lot more dyeing with the patterns. And because it took so long to dry, the patterns aren't as noticeable, but it's still a really fun look. And I'm loving this grayish blue look with the hints of brownish tea. I think it's beautiful. And I'm super happy with how this came out. Oh no. There we go. Sorry, guys. And here's the next 2. Which maybe I should turn these this way, huh? This one did get some patterns showing. And this was the best of them all. I love it. I'm probably going to, you know, hoard this piece. And up next we have, it was one that I don't know what it is. It could be some sort of cinnamon or chai tea. Mom loves cinnamon stick tea, and it was not that one for sure. But it did have a lot of cinnamon in it. So we have a nice, much more richer color here. I really love how this color came out. I would like this color to use as my regular journal pages. I think it's beautiful. This color is dried slightly on the pink side. Which one was this? Oh, this was the cinnamon chai as well. So what happened was, these were the first 2 that I dyed. They were full strength of the tea, okay? But then I wanted to do a few more pages because I love this deep richness so much. But I didn't have enough liquid left. So I had added liquid, which obviously diluted it. And so this was the diluted color. And we have this slight pink color, almost like similar to an avocado dye. So I think that's beautiful how that came out. And again, so different and unexpected. And then last we have Mandarin Orange. And it is a brownish color, a little bit more closer to coffee. On the lighter side, lighter than coffee, but the tone of brown is closer to, I think out of all of these, the closest one to the coffee coloring. And it's just gorgeous. I had so much fun doing this, you guys. I just love experimenting of any kind. Science is my thing. I just love it. So I'm super happy that we got to do this. I hope you guys had fun checking out my results. I can't wait to get some alum to see how that affects the hibiscus and berry colored teas. That'll be fun to play with. And I'm also really hoping to do some eco dyeing this year. We'll see how time goes, how my free time goes. But I hope you guys have an awesome day. If you have anything to add down below, please feel free. I love to learn, so feel free to put any comments down below. See you later.